Welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to fix memory dump error in Roblox on your PC. Let us start by locating the Roblox player on your desktop. Now right-click on the Roblox player and then choose Open File Location. In here, look for the application name Roblox Player Beta. Then right-click once again on that application. Choose Properties in the pop-up window. Now click on the Compatibility section. Under the Compatibility mode, put a check on the box beside Run this program in compatibility mode. Then choose Windows 8. Then under the settings, put a check mark beside the Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. After doing all of that, tap the Apply button below to save the changes. Then try to relaunch your Roblox player and see if the error is now fixed. But if the problem persists, then do this solution. Tap the Windows logo below or the search button. Then search for this. Then press Enter. It will open all of the local data. In here, look for the Roblox file and then right-click on it. Choose Delete option in the pop-up menu and then confirm it. After that, restart your computer and relaunch the Roblox player, and it should be able to fix the error. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.